All right, in this episode, you're going to learn about small business funding opportunity, small business grant that's available in Phoenix, Arizona, and in Chandler, Arizona. I'm going to show you right now. Let's ramp up. And so we're going to go to this website. And I have all the links below, so make sure that you check out all the description section below. And if this information is helpful for you, for someone else, give them a thumbs up. So this is at the Arizona Community Foundation Microbusiness Resiliency Grant. And so I'm here in Phoenix, and so some of you know. And one of the things I've been getting a lot of comments about is what's for solo practitioners or for startup people, especially in the Facebook groups that I belong to here in Phoenix. And I'm like, well, I haven't seen anything, but remember I told you about creating Google Alerts? So make sure you do that because this one popped up for me. So there's $5,000 grants that are offered in the city of Phoenix for micro businesses, solo practitioners, entrepreneurs experiencing economic distress and sudden loss of revenue due to COVID-19. So what does that look like? And this is specifically to those folks who reached out to me on Facebook asking, like, is there anything for a startup? Well, in Phoenix, there is. So micro business owners and solo practitioners, entrepreneurs, independent operators, and startups are eligible. There we go, are eligible for up to $5,000 for local micro businesses. Even when the business is home base, all right, that's huge for some individuals who are looking for opportunity to get their business off the ground. So Sherry, this is for you. All right, so it says, here's the qualifications. Qualifications have been, of course, operating in the city of Phoenix, no more than 5 employees as of March 1st, 2020, and no more than 1 million in gross total sales for 2019. And then you have not been previously awarded from the Phoenix Small Business Relief Grant Program and other programs. Of course, you can read, I have all the links and the sources in the description section below. And if this is a helpful information, give this video a thumbs up. And so, of course, I clicked on this information about the frequently asked questions because I believe that's always important to see that. So the city of Phoenix, this is for those individuals who are looking for small business funding opportunities. This small business resiliency grant for micro businesses is going to offer $5,000 up to $5,000 to 1,200 local micro or solo practitioners, entrepreneur businesses experiencing economic distress. And so when you scroll down here, it tells you exactly what they're looking for. So, but here's what you want to see. There is no set deadline. So there is no set deadline at all. It's just you have to be qualified. And when the money runs out, it runs out. And when can you expect the funds? The application review process will take a minimum of 15 days from submission date. So it's pretty rapidly that you're going to be able to find out if you're going to be able to receive these funds or not, and it's based upon the availability. So make sure that you complete this application if you. All right, so here is the website. So this is, of course, the links are in the description section below. And this is the I Choose Chandler Business Hiring and Retention Program. So the city of Chandler is providing businesses and industries most impacted by the effects with the 10K grant based on their employee retention and hiring. So if you're looking and you're needing assistance to hire and retain your key employees or to make sure that your business needs to move forward, this with the employees and retention of those employees, this is the one you want. And now it's because they've expanded the program. So remember I talked about before the startup and the micro resiliency grant, that's that small business funding grant for Phoenix. They've now expanded, the city of Chandler did, and opened it up to folks who are in wholesale trades, who are in educational services, who are in construction and other services like automotive repair, car washes, computer appliance repair, barber shops, nail salons, laundries, and dry cleaners. So there are other services that now can apply who couldn't before for this grant, for the small business grant in the Chandler, Arizona, now you can apply for this small business grant and for up to 10K. So you might get 5K, you might get 10K grant, but this is the opportunity for you if you have less than 100 employees. It's a private for-profit business located in the city of Chandler, Arizona, and it is not a home-based business. So businesses must own or lease a non-residential property. So those are the requirements, and you must be able to use registered business in the city of Chandler. And of course, here is the frequently asked questions that I always pull up so you can be able to see that, because one of the things you have to look for is making sure that there are no small business grant scams. And I've seen these scam artists putting comments in the section, in my comment section below, and I make sure my team deletes those as soon as we see them. But you have to make sure that you pull up all the information, and you don't have to pay for someone to do this. You can do it yourself. It's the same questions over and over again for all these small business grants. The opportunity is for you to be diligent, to pay attention to the details, and then make sure you focus on answering the questions that they ask. And here's some of the pre-qualification questions. I'm not going through them all because you can read it by clicking in the description section below, and make sure you give me a thumbs up and make some comments in the section below if this is helpful to you. And make sure that, and oh, this would be great, just say that I subscribe. Put I subscribed in the section below if you think this is helpful information. Just say I subscribed. Perfect. So one of the pre-qualification questions is that I certify that the applicant business is not located in a residential property. That should be easy for you because you're a business with at least more than 5 employees. I certify that the applicant business has 100 full-time employees or fewer. And then what else you have here? That's pretty much the main questions. If your business is certified business in Chandler, if you are not in a residential property, if you're actually running a business in a retail brick and mortar location, those are the type of individuals that I help. That's why I'm providing this information to you for those individuals who don't know. But this website is going to also be in the description section, and it's the Arizona Community Foundation. But if you're looking for small business grants in the Phoenix or even in the Chandler area, there's opportunity for you. So make sure that, as you know, if you have opportunity to find and help others, then go ahead and share this website, this YouTube, this episode channel with them, because it helps a lot of other individuals as we continue to move forward and make things happen in our great communities. My name is Kendall Matthews, and let's ramp up.